We're going to walk through getting a weighted mean for two sample data sets. So we have a sample that consists of 3 scores for boys, but a sample of 4 scores for girls. So we have n equals 3 for the boys and n equals 4 for the girls. And I'm just going to put an n of 1 and an n of 2 because it helps kind of logistically. Left to right is group 1 is the left, the right is group 2, which is the girls on the right hand side. So we're going to take a weighted mean. So I'm going to write down what our equation is, equals, and your textbook shows it a little different, but it's really the same thing, plus sum of x for group 2, and we can say dot 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 to keep adding however many groups, and that's why your textbook writes it the way it does, so that it doesn't have to include that dot dot dot. And then we have, the sample size for group 1 plus sample size for group 2, and we'd go dot 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 if there's more than 2 groups. So what we need to do is come up with our sum of x for group 1 and then our sum of x for group 2. Now the reason we're doing this is because we have unequal sample sizes. So we need to account for the unequal sample sizes. So if we add up the scores for group 1, 4 plus 2 plus 5, we should get 11, right? Then we'll add up the scores for group 2, and we should get 22. So 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 will equal 22. Now we have everything we need and we can just plug in. So our weighted mean equation ends up looking like this. 11 plus 22 divided by 3 plus 4. Now we can simplify it. Be careful when you do this so that you're not making typos. It ends up being 33 divided by 7. These are not two separate little fractions. They're one addition divided by the other addition. So in the end, our weighted mean equals 4.71. Now I have 4.71 because again the number next to the 1 is a 4, and therefore you keep that 1, you don't round up. Be very careful that you're rounding appropriately, otherwise your answers are wrong. So we just walked through how to get a weighted mean.